I've always wondered why Bacardi tastes so smooth. Do you also think the same? Well, if that's the case, then let's find out. I've finally arrived at the gates of the world's favorite rum brand, Bacardi. I read that Bacardi India produces 150 million bottles every year. Let's find out how they do this humongous task.
Hi,
Hi, I'm Sweta.
I'm Ravi. Welcome to Bacardi India.
Thank you. And this place has quite a significant history for Bacardi India.
You're right. Even though Bacardi has history of 156 years, this plant started way back in 1997. You can see the plant planted by Mr. Facundo Bacardi way back in 1998.
In 20 years, the small cocoa sapling has grown into a large tree. Similarly, Bacardi India volumes have been growing year after year. Its product portfolio also has been growing every year. That's an exceptional growth, Mr. Ravi. And I can also see that how green this factory is.
Yeah, as a company, Bacardi values, natural resources, and we work greatly in terms of sustainability of natural resources as well as improvement in safety. She is Radhika.
Oh, hi Radhika.
Please welcome.
Thank you.
This is the brochure about Bacardi, and she will take you through about our plant, and she'll explain you. Meanwhile, I'll join you later.
Sure.
Okay?
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Ravi.
They're starting with the safety first.
Okay. I was instructed to go through the Visitor's Guidebook and was prepped with hairnet, safety jacket and safety shoes. This ensures not only my safety but also the quality of the product. A mirror right in front of the gate reminds everybody that they are responsible for their own safety. Basic safety compliance at all sites of Bacardi is 100%. In fact, there has been zero lost time accident at any site in the last 5 years.
Sweta, as I said, at Bacardi, safety is first. So we are running 2,078 days without lost time accidents, and I need your full cooperation in maintaining this number.
Definitely, sir. A bottle's journey at Bacardi starts with a robust planning process called S&OP, where the sales forecasts are collected from all states and given to the operations team to procure the material and plan the production.
Like in any given day, we coordinate for various materials with more than 50 vendors across USA, Europe, Sri Lanka and India. Our plant receives about 500,000 of bottles and caps. Then we also have to ensure labels and cartons for these bottles. We need 25 million labels and 0.5 million cartons approximately in a month. All these we need to have just in time for production. If I don't ensure this seamless flow, it can interrupt all other process.
Next, I'm moving towards the aging warehouse. This is where the nature creates its own magic on Bacardi rums within these barrels.
These are all white American oak wood barrels which are charred inside.
Okay.
We are putting alcohol and keeping it in the aging warehouse. After 2 years, we are aging it out and using for the blending process.
This is where the rum dances to the master blender's artistic and passionate tunes. He mixes more than one type of spirit to get the right kind of quality and the consistency in the blend.
Both alcohols are added now. This is the perfect Carta Blanca. All these raw materials are tested in the laboratory using the gas chromatograph. Now our blend is ready.
Yes.
Once it is approved in the laboratory, we will release for the bottling. So next is production.
Let's go to production.
Yes.
So we are moving towards bottling plant. Let's go in and see how it happens.
I'm absolutely mesmerized by the sheer pace at which the production works at Bacardi. On an average day, these lines fill more than 500,000 Bacardi bottles that translates into 10 bottles at the blink of an eye.
It's always action-packed here. We have to be highly adaptive and flexible according to the sales and market demands. Sometimes content of a line needs to be meticulously changed due to last-minute order. In that case, we have to ensure that the content of the labels, caps, and online coding adheres to the state policy.
So, what are the quality checks that happen here?
So we have different quality checks. So we will check the label position.
Okay.
So it needs to be placed on this particular area only.
Yeah.
So front label, back label, you will see the position, and also cap, whether the cap is get tampered, and you will check the level of the bottle. So after labeling, all this bottle needs to be fixed with the excise sticker.
Okay.
So then we'll seal the box.
Perfect.
And we'll send it to the FG area.
Before moving on to the dispatch, I was shown various quality checks conducted by Bacardi to ensure a perfect serve.
So, sir, what are the steps that we undergo in QC?
Here we carry out the incoming raw material analysis, packaging material analysis, in-process samples, finished good samples.
Bacardi India quality team is committed to achieve 100% customer satisfaction. In fiscal year 18, we achieved highest ever EOL 99.5 and we reduced the defect rates by 75% online through our continuous improvement done by Quality Task Force team.
I think with that, it's now time for us to move towards the last leg of a bottle's journey, right?
Yes, let's move on to the dispatch section.
Perfect. So far I've been through aging, blending, production, and I've come to realize that each process here requires meticulous planning and perfect execution. So I'm sure dispatch must be like that.
Yeah, at dispatch, we have an added responsibility. Whatever the effort that everyone has put in, so should not be messed up.
On an average day, Bacardi India plants dispatch 20,000 cases to over 500 locations across India and several other locations across the world. To dispatch such huge volumes, around 6,000 trucks are employed annually.
And that's how we get Bacardi on our table.
I have seen all the processes, but there is more to Bacardi than meets the eye. They keep pushing the boundaries and explore more opportunities. They have 3 new projects in Hyderabad, Orissa, and Nellore. Hyderabad plant is a greenfield project that started in September 2016.
This plant is a state-of-art facility. It has a separate building for Bacardi manufacturing activities. It has green belt in and around the plant.
Orissa plant is a brownfield project that started in May 2017.
Our Bhubaneswar plant is about 25 kilometers from the Bhubaneswar airport. About 50% of the workforce in this plant comprises of women.
Then in Nellore, Andhra Pradesh, we have an upcoming greenfield plant planned for 2018.
It will be a state-of-the-art manufacturing unit with fully automatic lines for low-proof and high-proof bottling operations.
Bacardi follows their founders' mentality. The whole Bacardi culture thrives on the spirit of thinking constantly, acting, and being number one.
At our factories, we strive for operational excellence. It forms the foundation of all our work. We have continuous improvement teams working in our factories. These teams work on 5S and Kaizen.
Basic principle of 5S is place for everything and everything in its place. So we did 5S in our lab, shop floor, and stores and other areas. Kaizen aims for a continuous improvement not only in the manufacturing sector, to other departments as well. Its main benefit is more involvement of employee, less investment with a good result.
I had the pleasure of visiting Nanjangud last month. I was very impressed with the progress made at our Nanjangud plant. The other big progress that I've noticed is the way we have expanded our manufacturing footprint in India to 8 locations and growing every year. That's helps us bring our product closer to the consumer and get advantages on taxes. This all augurs well for Bacardi's long-term strategy.
This spirit of excellence permeates through all the endeavors taken by Bacardi. They have supported a government school in Mysore by constructing its school compound and providing free benches for the students. Not only this, the Nanjangud team organized cleaning of the local riverbank as a part of its social drive.
Hi Shweta, how was the plant tour?
fabulous experience.
Excellent.
I'm so impressed with the way everything works here.
Okay.
But I have a question. Is Bacardi all about work and no play?
See, at Bacardi, we have a unique culture that we treat each other, each primos as not just colleague, also part of our family members. So that is the main pillar of our Bacardi culture.
I'm not only tempted to taste Bacardi, but also work here.
Why not, Shweta?
Excuse me, sir. Can I steal a minute?
Yeah, of course. What happened?
Sir, we have received a last minute order, that too at the month end,
From which state?
for Pondicherry and Kerala.
Wow, it's a surprise again.
The day is almost over and the last minute order has made the atmosphere tense, but none of them seem to flinch.
I understand the situation, but we also have to understand their urgency. So somehow we need to make this order executed. I mean, we need to deliver 100%.
Hats off to them. These guys are fearless. They're so motivated and passionate. In face of any challenge, they keep on evolving themselves passionately and innovatively. With this, I've seen all the three pillars in action. Thank you so much, sir.
You're welcome.
My journey started as a curiosity over a glass of Bacardi, and now I'm going back with this wholesome and enriching experience. I've come to the realization that Bacardi is not only about the correct blend, the flavor, or the quality checks. There's a lot of action that goes behind each bottle that we as consumers don't even realize. What we finish off in seconds has a lot of legacy and passion behind. That's Bacardi for you.